Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on TalkBack menu's navigation option for links in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. Where to look for TalkBack's option? First of all, we need to go to Settings. Then in Settings we are looking for Accessibility, then TalkBack, next Settings, then we need to go to Customize Menus. Then at the top we need to open a Customize TalkBack menu. Next we are looking for the navigation section, and here we have our edit navigation options, and here we have our links options. So what does this option do exactly? Simply jump between links. It's a, as you can see, simple checkbox on or off. There are no other hidden menus here. So yes, tap it once and now it's on. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.